Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. In this short video I'll show to you guys how you can change the default search engine on Google browser. So normally the default search engine on Google browser is Google, logically, but let's suppose that I want to change this search engine from Google to DuckDuckGo or to Bing search engine or to Yahoo search engine, whatever search engine that you want to have as a default search engine on your browser. So if we test here, let's say I search something, we can see that the search engine is Google. And in order to change that, normally we should open the Google browser and then we need to go over these three dots here. And then we need to click over settings over here. Then from the options on the left, we have search engine. We click over it and then in a very easy way, we can change the default search engine by clicking over this list here, and we can see here all the search engines that are possible to choose on Google Chrome. In this case, I want to use DuckDuckGo, so I select it, and that's it. So in order to test this, we can just close Google Chrome and open it again. So, and as we can see here now, the logo of DuckDuckGo is showing here. And also over here, DuckDuckGo is the default browser now. So we search over here and then we can see also at the link over here that duckduckgo.com is the default search engine. So let's write here YouTube, and yes, as we can see, the change is done. So basically that's all that you have to do in order to change the default search engine on Google Chrome. I don't want to go into discussion which is the best, etc, etc. That's another video that we can do about that. So please do not forget to subscribe and like or comment our video. Thanks a lot for watching. Wish you all the best. Thank you.